Hi, welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about Tune ECU, which is a lovely little app which helps you with diagnostics on Triumphs, and you can actually use it to do a remap of your Triumph. It also works with Aprilias, with Benellis, and a whole host of other motorcycles, which I will provide in the description. So when you get to Tune ECU, you get it on a disc. I think you can get it from eBay. It comes with a special cable, which is USB on one end and a male ODB2 interface on the other, which you can plug into your Triumph. So you get the disc, you put the disc into your CD-ROM drive or DVD drive, or you can transfer it to memory stick if you wish, and you click on the auto start and it opens up a window which says one bit says install the drivers, another bit is install the application, Tune ECU, and the third one is maps. So here we're clicking on the Tune ECU icon. Once it's installed, you get this screen, which is sort of your opening Triumph screen, showing the rev counter and TPS settings, top dead center looks like, and temperature. And these are all live, and when the bike's running, you can see all these needles moving around. Plus, you've got a whole bunch of tests that you can do as well, testing various parts of the bike, and all sorts of different settings. Now, you want to look at this one, which is the interface one, because as standard, it comes up as COM4, which is not what you've got. You've actually got USB. So once you've got it installed, you want to select USB, and I'll show you that in a bit. So that's the basic interface you've got. You've also got a whole bunch of maps as well. I've selected the standard 3 and 4 cylinder Triumphs maps, but you can have obsolete maps, custom maps, and a whole load of other ones like Aprilia ones, Ducati ones, Benelli ones. These are all free, and there's all sorts of different configurations you can have. So on this particular bit, it's showing you which ones have been superseded, which ones are current, and obviously you have the use at your own risk. Now this is the Triumph section, and you can see it doesn't just cover 955Is, TT600s, a whole raft of different Triumphs, Daytonas, 675s, 955s. It's even got some of the more modern bikes. I'm sure there's Trident in there somewhere. Street triple ones, all different various configurations of street triples. And you can see those have got different maps for different configurations in there as well. Not just your standard map, not just like a performance map, but all sorts of different ones. Now my map's in this section, which is one with a higher level TOR pipe, which is Triumph Off-Road pipe, which is a sports performance pipe for the Triumph 955i. And I'll be applying that one later. And like I say, there's a whole host of maps there you could choose from. Even Tiger ones there. And as I said, these are free. You don't have to pay for these. You notice on the right hand side those little green boxes showing you that those are the current maps. haven't been superseded by new ones, and they've been tested as well. Back to the interface screen again. So turn the bike on, put it onto ignition, don't start it, click on ECU and click on connect. As you see, come up with that unable to communicate on COM port 4. So go into options, interface, USB, select the USB, and then click on connect again. And it's connected. Now you can probably see there's a couple of error codes at the bottom. It's telling me there's an engine management warning light. So on Tune ECU, you can actually reset the warning light. And the way you reset the warning light is to go into ECU, erase error codes, erase all trouble codes, click on OK. That's cleared them. I'll just turn it off and on again and see if the actual light's turned off. And I've just unplugged Tune ECU, turned the bike on, and the error code's gone. The light's gone off. So we've got an error-free speed triple. Now you can actually have live data on this, and I'll start it with it connected, but because it's got the Triumph Tour exhaust system on it, it's actually quite loud, so I'll probably have to do a voiceover on this bit. But you'll be able to see all the dials moving and all that kind of thing. Okay, so hopefully you saw all the dials moving and everything else. And you can also change maps on this as well. So I'll be loading up one of the maps that's in the database, which is the map with the Tour high level exhaust on it, and also the air filter, the upgraded air filter, and I'll be sticking that map into this this speed triple. So from here, you can actually go into map edit. You can read the map. That you've got on your Triumph. Just reading it now. Okay. and you can save that map. I save it to my desktop. And you can open a new one. And now this map is for the high level exhaust that I've got. And you can apply that map to your Triumph. Just do that, click OK, and it'll write the map to your motorbike. Okay, so we've saved the old map, put a new map on there, disconnect, and it's just a case of really firing up the bike with the new map. So I hope that's useful, and as always, like, subscribe, hit the bell, tell your friends, get some more subscribers on this channel, and I'll see you on the next one.